In this video, we will explain the recommended cleaning and lubrication procedures for the SP303 stick pack machine. To keep your machine running at peak performance, it is important to clean and service it at regular intervals. Before each production run, all product contact areas should be cleaned and sanitized. These areas include the inside of the upper and lower hopper, the auger assemblies mounted inside the lower hopper, and the filling tubes. It is important after cleaning to ensure that these areas are completely dry, as moisture can cause powder products to clump and not pass through the machine properly. Also, on a daily basis, it is necessary to clean excess product buildup from the moving parts of the machine. Special attention should be given to the vertical and horizontal sealing bars, as product buildup in these areas may cause improper sealing. The linear bearing shafts that carry the horizontal seal bar, the horizontal cooling bar, and the cutting knife assembly are also important to keep clean. These linear bearings are considered to be lubed for the life of the part. However, allowing product buildup to mix with the bearing's lubrication can shorten the life of the part. You will also find these linear bearing shafts on the vertical seal assembly seen here. These shafts protrude through to the inside of the machine and should be cleaned at both ends. Also, on a daily basis, check the machine's air-water separator and drain it if necessary. Every 15 days, the grease fitting just below the ball screw nut should be lubricated with general-purpose grease. This is arguably the most important grease fitting on the machine, as it is responsible for the up and down motion of the horizontal sealing jaws, and without proper lubrication will wear out quickly. Also, every 15 days, the grease fittings attached to the carriages that carry the horizontal seal bar up and down should be lubricated with general-purpose grease. Items that should be done on a monthly basis are as follows. The horizontal cutting knives should be given a light coat of an anti-rust agent, such as mineral oil. The rack and pinion gears that carry the horizontal cooling bars and horizontal sealing bars should be lubricated with general-purpose grease. This can be done with a small brush. The rest of the grease fittings on the machine should also be serviced with a small amount of general-purpose grease on a monthly basis. The locations of these fittings are as follows. 2. On the horizontal cooling bar carriages, here and here. 2. On the cutting knife carriages, here and here. 1. On the rejection gate push rod. 2. On the horizontal seal bar assist push rods. 6. On the push rods that control the vertical seal bar position. 2 of them are on the front of the machine, and 4 of them are inside. You can see 3 of them here, and 1 in the back. Two on the hopper gate push rods. Also, on a monthly basis, thoroughly clean and apply a light coat of grease to the cooling bar vertical adjustment screws and the knife vertical adjustment screws. We hope this video helps you understand how to keep your machine running at peak performance. To learn more about SP Group, check us out online.